Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the two P2 pentalobe screws at the lightning port. This immediately gives you access. Once done, heat the lower edge briefly and use a suction cup plus a thin pick to lift the screen a few millimeters. Do not hinge it flat. Make sure to prop the screen at roughly a 90-degree angle and then remove the metal bracket over the battery connector with a Y000 driver so you can disconnect power before any further work. Now, remove the display bracket screws and gently disconnect the battery followed by the display cables. You do this to isolate power and protect the logic board. Once the display is free, locate the wireless charging coil held by a few screws and adhesive. Unscrew them, then slowly peel the coil away from the midframe while watching the coil's flex cable routing. Take care around the antenna and Taptic engine cables. Work methodically so you don't stretch or damage any nearby connectors. Fit the replacement coil into the exact orientation of the original, align the screw holes, and secure screws snugly but not over-torqued. Then reconnect the coil flex to the board. Once reconnected, replace any adhesive strips on the midframe, reconnect the display cables and the battery, and power on to test wireless charging before sealing the screen. If charging works, apply new adhesive and reseat the display. If it does not, make sure the flex is fully seated and free of debris. This single check resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.